4.0, latest technologies, and strategic thinking. Never believe that you can or cannot do something because you're a woman. Focus on being the best you can be. Now, people are looking for people who are best at what they do. So, if we are the best at what we do, people will respect us, they will empower us. So, without a further ado, I welcome our chairman, Jaipur branch, CA Akash ji, our moderator, CA Sonia ji, and CA Ankit ji, past chairman, and all other participants. Now I welcome CA Akash ji for his words of wisdom.
Thank you, Madhika. एक नारी को पढ़ाओ, पूरे घर को शिक्षित बनाओ. I know this quote doesn't go with the theme, and I completely agree. Gone are the days wherein we used to launch a campaign to educate a woman. Now, the second inning of women has started, wherein much education is needed towards the learning of new technology, which is there in the present environment. With this intention, today we have planned a webinar and given a name to it as Women 2.0. Good evening. I, Sri Akash Bhargoti, Chairman Jaipur Branch, extend my warm welcome to each and every participant who has joined this webinar. I also take privilege to welcome our resource persons for today's webinar, Ms. Pooja Bakshi and Ms. Lakshmi Vaid. Both are from Mumbai, who will be delivering their deliberations on latest technology tools and strategic thinking. I, on behalf of Jaipur Branch, welcome both of you. Thank you, ma'am. Now, won't be taking much of your time. May I request T. Mudrika to please carry on the session.
So I welcome our moderator, Sonia Maheshwari. She's a faculty at GMCS and a life coach. Welcome, Sonia.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mudrika. Thanks a lot. So shall I take over?
Yes, Sonia ji.
Okay. Good evening to everybody. एक नहीं दो मात्राएं नर से भारी नारी पुरुष कल भी था आभारी पुरुष आज भी है आभारी. So I warmly welcome all the lovely women, all the women entrepreneurs here who have joined this wonderful part of CA Celebration Fortnight here, and our esteemed guests for today, Pooja and Lakshmi, all the way from Bombay. They are amongst us, and we're going to have a wonderful session. So without much of a waste of time, I take the pleasure to introduce you to the first speaker of the day, Pooja Bakshi. Pooja Bakshi comes with a lot of experience, almost 2 decades. She has been a managing partner at Orion Knowledge Solutions. She has been a CEO for Tapasya Engineering Works, with an educational experience from PG, CBM, XLRI, Jamshedpur, DFM, Somaya Institute, Management Institute, DISC trainer, and OD certified also, with an industry experience of manufacturing, industrial goods, ITS, and business consulting. I feel very proud to say that the way she has been heading SME manufacturing sector, majorly for pharmaceutical companies, she has been part of strategic management design and operational excellence. She has worked closely with German, Japanese, and American family-owned business. And during her journey, she discovered organizational development and design as a keen area of academic and professional interest for her. She started her own consultancy, and now she believes in applying training principles, methodologies to design, develop, and deliver transformation, strategic initiatives, competency frameworks, talent management, and assessment of projects. She works with business owners who are looking at exponential growth and upskilling their teams. Her mission is to be a business transformer to power the aspirations of a business owner. So friends and women entrepreneurs specifically here, the topic says strategic thinking. So I believe women are born strategists. The day she discovers herself, she knows how she has to be a multitasker, and she believes that, with all her inborn strategy, she can do so much. So first of all, I heartily welcome Pooja. Pooja, warm welcome to Jaipur, ICAI.
Thank you so much, Sonia, for this opportunity. And I'm looking forward to an amazing session.
I'm
meeting
sure,
59 new people and learning from all of them. in
That's
this session
amazing.
today. Thank you
That's
so much.
amazing. So do you wish to share your screen, Pooja?
Yeah, so I would just request, yeah, thank you so much.
Right. So Pooja, I'm the moderator and be prepared that I'll be shooting questions at you. I'm sure you're going to rock with your answers. So when we talk about this Women 2.0 and we talk about latest technology and tools, let's discuss about strategic thinking. So we've all talked about, how women are born strategists, but, I somewhere feel like Indian mentality. What is your say on gender biasness with strategic thinking? This is my first question to you.
Excellent question, and it is also directed at all the men in the room. So this will give you an insight about how women think and strategize. And Sonia, you're absolutely right. We are born strategists because strategy is nothing but managing resources. एक process में डालो और एक goals achieve करो. Like daughters, like mothers, and wives, and business owners, and professionals, we keep on juggling the entire thing. Yes, we are. But what is very interesting is I'll share a study that I was reading. It was in Forbes magazine also covered. उन्होंने क्या बताया कि they were mapping women and men professionals और उन्होंने देखा that as women come closer to 50s उनकी strategic thinking बनने लग जाती है. And this was very amazing. और तो इससे ऐसा लगता था कि शुरू में तो नहीं होते, जब वो थोड़े बड़े होने लगते हैं they become strategic in thinking.
How interesting.
That,
how interesting.
but then to check that, this is one of the theories and hypotheses. उन्होंने क्या किया, फिर चेक किया क्या शुरू में कुछ ऐसे इंडिकेशन हैं कि स्ट्रैटेजिक हैं वो लोग के नहीं. You will be surprised to see that when they did this study, जो women and men जो एक साथ grow किए हैं in their professions, different sample sizes जो उन्होंने देखे, that women are better leaders in 17 out of 19 competencies.
Wow.
throughout.
Excellent.
And it is only 2 competences. One is strategic thinking and दूसरा है applying functional and technical knowledge. ये दो जगह में men उनसे थोड़े आगे रहते हैं. और होता यह है कि by the time women have crossed their 45s and 50s, almost 2 decades of experience, तो वो जो उनको पहले शुरू में inputs नहीं मिले होते, they overcome those. So they are able to apply it and become exceptional leaders after that. So the point ये है कि women में ऐसा क्या है कि जो strategic thinking हम लोग बचपन से women में नहीं डाल पाते. And you're right, it's a very cultural thing.
So what is your say on strategy now? I want as a consultant, that what exactly is strategy according to you?
See, strategy is as simple as अगर आप साइंटिफिकली जाएं तो रिसोर्सेज क्या हैं आपके पास और गोल क्या है, दोनों को आपने अचीव कर लिया, उसके लिए जो प्रोसेस लिया, दैट इज योर स्ट्रैटेजी. हाउएवर फ्रॉम द इंटायर साइंस ऑफ स्ट्रैटेजी, आजकल हम स्ट्रैटेजी हर चीज के आगे लगा देते हैं. स्कूल के बच्चे बोलते हैं मुझे अपने फ्रेंड्स बनाने के लिए स्ट्रैटेजी बनानी है. बट व्हाट आई विल शेयर व्हाट स्ट्रैटेजी इज नॉट. स्ट्रैटेजी इज नॉट फॉलोइंग समबडी एल्स. स्ट्रैटेजी इज नॉट बीइंग कॉशियस. So strategy risk taking honi chahiye. You have to be out of the box and you have to be creative in that. So I have a small slide. If I can have the next slide, please, Lakshmi.
Wow.
Before I go into the next slide, हम क्या जानते हैं strategy के बारे में, उसके बारे में I want to insight from the audience today. हमारी audience क्या सोचती है कि strategy क्या है? And this is open, men and women both. So एक link आएगा आपके chat box में. If you can just press that link, and we'll get to know what our audience thinks about strategy.
Wow, that's so nice. So come on, audience, Jaipur audience, we need to be very participative and engaging, because if we want to have amazing takeaways, there is so much to learn in this 1 hour shop. Okay, so Lakshmi has
seen it?
a link. Yes,
Yeah,
the link
there's
has
a
come.
link.
I request everybody to please open the link and give your feedbacks or comments of the question put across there. Audience, please be participative. We have amazing takeaways to come, because all the tools, see, this is again one of the tools, as an example, it has been put across that how we need to equip ourselves. Oh, that is so amazing. What an instant answer.
Excellent,
So
excellent.
for the audience, let me tell you, both our strategists have used a Mentimeter to get this wonderful feedback here right on the screen. So at the stroke of a button, we have this here. So I think this deserves a round of applause. Thank you so much, Pooja and Lakshmi.
Yeah, and thank you for active participation. So yes, strategy is all of this. It is thinking, planning, it's goal setting. And what is most important is हम लोग strategy को खाली planning में दबा के रख देते हैं. So if I can have the next slide, please. I would like to showcase कि strategy का पूरा ecosystem कैसा होता है.
Wow.
So actually, if you look at strategy, has lot of combinations in it. Of course, it has strategist thinking, planning, and also decision making. So जितना हम planning में जोर देते हैं, उतना ही हमारा decision making और thinking process important है strategy के लिए. And of course, एक बहुत important चीज है, ये सब कहाँ से आता है, इसका एक bedrock है. The foundation of this, that is the vision or the goal that we are working for. That will give us कि क्या trends देखने हैं, क्या insights देखने हैं, क्या analysis देखना है, and then you bring it together as strategy. So in today, I've picked up only strategic thinking, how it can be a game changer for women.
Amazing. So, Pooja, with this, when you say this, one question strikes in my mind that, with this pandemic and with this all this, change in the lifestyle and change of so many things with all of us here and majorly professionals, what are the trends that you feel one should look for in the future?
Simply put, एक चीज तो ऐसी है, हम में से कितने लोग हैं जिनको Zoom के बारे में December of 2019 में सुना था, and in April of 2020 we had started using it.
I totally agree.
One thing about looking into the future is that there'll be two type of futures and that is going to happen. Total disruption. Disruption होने वाली है हमारे thinking process में, हमारे surroundings में, the way we handle things. जैसे अभी हमने एक Zoom देखा है as example, उसी तरीके से दो टाइप के होंगे. One are small subtle changes. For example, जैसे मेरा weight बढ़ रहा है, कंटिन्यूसली आधा ग्राम अगर बढ़ता रहा हर दिन में, तो आज मैं कम से कम 5 और 10 kgs प्लस हूँ. इफ पीपल वर मेट मी एटलीस्ट अ ईयर बैक. सो दीज आर स्लाइट सटल चेंजेस. सो ऐसे होंगे इन द इकोसिस्टम. द अदर आर डिस्ट्रप्टिव चेंजेस लाइक दिस Zoom happened overnight. I will not call COVID because I don't want to get into this domain, but what human beings did positively was this Zoom thing. We just caught on to it. तो ऐसे disruptions when I see in the horizon, one, जितने भी एनालिटिक्स काम है, जो कंप्यूटिंग का है, डेटा एनालिटिक्स का है, दैट विल डेफिनेटली मूव इनटू टेक्नोलॉजी प्लेटफॉर्म्स, बिकॉज उसके आप रूल्स लगा सकते हो, टेक्नोलॉजी पे शिफ्ट करेंगे. बट व्हाट विल रिमेन एज प्रोफेशनल्स इन आवर कंट्रोल और जिसकी वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगी विल बी स्ट्रैटेजिक थिंकिंग, डिसीजन मेकिंग एंड अप्लाइंग दैट नॉलेज.
Right.
So that is what I see in the future.
While you're talking about disruption, one thing strikes me is like, all professional people are listening to us, watching this webinar here live. So what do you think is going to be the disruption in the professional services, majorly if I talk about chartered accountants, if you had to focus and answer this?
Yes, so very good take आपने जो पूछा. So see, traditionally I have had my chartered accountant like a family member now. Traditionally मैं उनसे जो services लेती थी was only at the time of filing my returns. But in the last 4 or 5 years, when I was setting up my business, I wanted him to come and give me, share with me his experience, do some risk analysis with me, जो traditionally एक उनकी services में नहीं था. And going forward, what I see is that most of it is going to get automated. आज at the point of a button, now when he sends me a projection or something, today everything is automated. He has access to my Tally systems, and I have access to whatever he wants me to see on his systems. So this is going to go widespread. Spreadsheets, projections, technical specialist knowledge जो हैं, ये सारी की सारी ऑटोमेट होने वाली हैं. क्लाइंट्स की एक्सपेक्टेशन होने वाली है कि सब प्रोफेशनल सर्विसेज क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन पे मिले, मोबाइल पे मिले, जब चाहें 24/7 मिले. So that is going to happen.
The whole life is revolved around this one stroke of a button.
Yeah. And consultative होने वाला है. So most of the roles that we see of professional services, उनको एक customer approach and consultative approach हर angle में आ जाने वाली है. So that is something which I feel is definitely around the corner.
Right. So now with so much of innovations and so much of strategy, so if you had a binocular and if you could go around and see, we are on 2021, but then again 2025, what would that be?
Again, मैं तो चाहूंगी कि इतने सारे हमारे पास 74 गेस्ट है, अगर हम सब बाइनोकुलर्स लगा के देखें तो हमें क्या दिख रहा है 2025 में, दैट विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So maybe we can देखते हैं झांक के कि सब लोग 125th फ्लोर से हेलीकॉप्टर से क्या व्यू देख रहे हैं. So
Okay.
if everyone shares, we will all have an insight.
Wow. So that means there is a link in the chat box once again. So all the participants, I request you once again, there is a link again, and please answer the question in the chat box. There is a link and you just have to fill up your comments and feedbacks on that. We're again using one such tool which is going to help us.
And Sonia ji, I am also keenly awaiting to see.
Okay, my answer
how
is
we all seeing.
Amazing. Let's see. Lakshmi, any participations? I think there was some hassle. This will take time to percolate inside.
So what is interesting is also the audience may be thinking कि strategic thinking में ये सब कहाँ से आ रहा है? Because यही है strategic thinking to manage disruptions and change.
I think the people who answered it so well. People found themselves grown up. People found themselves COVID free. I think this would be like a dream come true. Absolutely. I really appreciate the answer, the one who answered it. And using digital platforms, yes, that's the reason why we've collected here today. And a thinking customer as well. What an amazing view to have in 2025. Yes, Pooja, your comments, please.
Yeah, so this is अभी ये comments आते जा रहे हैं. I think we'll stick for some more time on this. Because सब लोग अपने उसमें डाल रहे हैं. Yes, technological disruption, absolutely. I think pulse है हमारा कि कुछ नया around the corner, और going forward जो पहले 5 साल में होता था अभी 3 में होगा, 6 में होगा, महीने में होगा. That I mean to say, and this is how things are going to move forward. Yes, absolutely. And when you look at all of these things, artificial intelligence, हम लोग उसको पढ़ते थे, अपने novels में पढ़ते थे, movies में देखते थे. Now it's just a matter of time and it's going to be real. That is how strategic thinking helps you overcome change. Because you're always ready for change by strategic thinking. Always ready for change. Great, great. So we have billionaires here, we have thinking customers, and we are using digital platforms. They are going to be transformational, Sonia, absolutely transformational, digital platforms.
Right. So all those who answered, I can actually see that while you're using this platform and seeing 2025 from your binoculars, I'm sure they're soon going to be accomplished as well. If you can.
And happy to see Elon Musk also. Maybe हम में से कोई होंगे जो space का ticket कटवा चुके होंगे 25 में. I'm sure about that. So great, Sonia. Yes, this is how future is. We don't know what is going to happen, and strategic thinking is something which is a tool that we should all have, especially women. Now, when we see this, अगर हम लोग आज अगर ये slide में से एक दो items अगर पकड़ लेते हैं, जैसे suppose we talk about digital platforms. Now, if we have something, open our minds to think about it, then how do we create strategic thinking to help us? तो मैंने उसके एक बहुत easy सा है मेरे experience से, I would say, एक I have created one, I call it the 3 की तिगड़ी. That सबसे पहले तो big picture पता होनी चाहिए. अगर digital platform है तो उस पे हम क्या करना चाहते हैं, तो वो big picture देखना बहुत जरूरी है. Secondly, वहां जाने के लिए priorities क्या है. आज की डेट में आप रेगुलर काम कर रहे हैं, आप अपने को नेक्स्ट लेवल के लिए, स्किल के लिए तैयार कर रहे हैं, तो आपकी प्रायोरिटीज क्या है जो आपको उसके गोल की तरफ लेकर जाएंगी, उसको सॉर्ट आउट करना बहुत जरूरी है. सो द तिगड़ी का सेकंड इज दैट प्लीज सॉर्ट आउट द प्रायोरिटीज, एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज टेक एक्शंस, जस्ट डू इट. तो ये 3 चीजें अगर हैं तो कोई भी स्ट्रैटेजी पॉसिबल है.
So Pooja, you mean to say कि अगर हम पहले priority set कर रहे हैं, that is really nice. I'm sure all the women do that. But while you're talking about this communicating your strategies, you know,
yes.
So does that mean कि हम अगर कोई priority set कर रहे हैं, तो it is very important कि हम अपने आसपास, अपने घर वालों को, अपने ऑफिस वालों को, अपने जितने भी ऑफिशियल लोग हैं, उन सबको हमारी strategy के बारे में बताएं?
Absolutely, Sonia. और most important चीज है, there is one currency we are paying every day. कोई भी गोल पाने के लिए या तो हम अपना टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं या मनी स्पेंड करते हैं या एनर्जी स्पेंड करते हैं.
Correct.
नाउ द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट एनर्जी एंड मनी इज हर एक की पॉकेट के हिसाब से बढ़ और कम सकता है. आज सपोज आई वांट समथिंग, आई ऑफ कोर्स आई कैन गो एंड आस्क सोनिया कि प्लीज हेल्प मी, और मुझे ये 2 चीज में हेल्प चाहिए, बट द ओनली थिंग वेयर शी कांट हेल्प मी इज टाइम, बिकॉज टाइम एक लिमिटेड एक रिसोर्स है, कैनॉट एक्सपैंड. So I feel setting our priorities for women is extremely critical, क्योंकि अभी जो फॉरवर्ड जाना है, जब हम देख रहे हैं फ्यूचर में, lot of new things are around the corner. वो करने के लिए
what do you think would be the benefit if you know women get into more of this? Any you know, so this program is specifically designed for women, you know, that woman 2.0. So
Yes.
taking away from this, now how women could benefit, I think I would love your focus on this.
So I'm requesting all women, क्या होता है, one of the things now I'm linking back to that study is when we are growing up, women don't
I think Lakshmi, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I think her audio.
Something went. Nevertheless, we will be having Pooja back soon. ये भी technical दुनिया है. Everything is possible and bound to happen. So Pooja is joining us back, but by the time we have amazing strategic analyst, a designer, a person who has, you know, since 2 days I've been talking to Lakshmi, and she has been an amazing, you know, she's made me aware about more strategic tools. So thank you, Lakshmi. Pooja, are you back? I think there is some issue with her. Nevertheless, so today we have Lakshmi with us, and she is going to enlighten us about the strategic tools, and she'll be giving us a practical demo, and she will make us understand how these latest tools will be helping us. So before you know, we go ahead, let me you know, tell you how Lakshmi is a fantastic facilitator. So Mrs. Lakshmi Vaid is a facilitator for soft skills and behavioral trainings. She specializes in incorporating design thinking in training. Learning and development are her domain interest and specialization. She considers diligence, decision-making, commitment, teamwork, planning, and leadership skills as her most prominent skill set. And she has done her PG diploma in training and development from the Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai, which is conducted trainings for bachelors of vocational studies at Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai. She has a certificate in design and creative thinking from the National Institute of Design, and has done her MDBA Personal Management 2001 from Symbiosis. Wow, this is amazing. What is interesting is that with a decade of corporate experience, she has moved into trainings and development as her calling. Fantastic, Lakshmi. Very, very happy to read your profile. And I warmly welcome you to the Jaipur chapter ICEI, and please let us know more about these strategy tools. Pooja will be coming back to you very soon once Lakshmi finishes.
Namaskar, Jaipur. Jaipur, बिना technology के तो आज possible ही नहीं था. I mean, I would not have stepped out. It is only because technology and the Zoom platform has brought us all together, and I really thank that opportunity. Today, I've been asked to pick on technology, but in front of such a huge elite crowd, and that too very, very professional crowd, I am shaking. So help me अगर कहीं हम डामाडोल होते हैं तो. Let's begin. So I would be taking you through my slides, and we'll take on the discussion as we go through that.
So can you share with us,
yeah.
Pooja and Lakshmi, in fact, you know, what are the fantastic tools you're going to talk about, so that, you know, we have an interest amongst our audience कि भी आज क्या सीखने मिलने वाला है हमको? What is the takeaway from this wonderful webinar?
So I have selected 2 tools out of my toolbox, and I have identified one of them as a mind mapping tool and one of them as Padlet. So I shall be taking you through as far as time permits, and Sonia, you'll have to help me with the time check so that I do not exceed my given time.
So I think we have a call here. CA Poonam Verma has raised her hand. So Poonam, in case you want to share anything, we would love if you could write in the chat box. We will address your queries here, right here in the workshop itself, right? Okay, Lakshmi, go ahead.
Yes. So as technology will never replace professionals, but in hands of professionals, it is transformational. And I thoroughly believe this, because मुझे भी लगता है technology तो आ गई है और रहेगी. As predicted, Industrial Revolution 4 They said it will change the way we live, the way we work, and the way we relate to each other. और आज it's the biggest reality that we can see. हमारा रहना different हो गया, काम करने का तरीका different हो गया, and definitely how we're relating to each other and speaking to each other has changed. It's a huge thing. So let us just look at one aspect of before technology and with technology. I'm sure all of you have your own huge list of clients and everything, and you must have spent a lot of time. So while I ask you these questions, feel free to please use the reaction buttons and show me your yes or no, a smiley, a sad face, whatever you feel is right for you. You must have spent a lot of time in terms of a face-to-face meeting with your client, right? That is where it started. Or ऐसा नहीं we were ever without technology. हमारे पास किसी ना किसी form में technology थी, right? From the landline to the wired internet connections, technology हमारे साथ है. But if you look at the time that you were spending on a face-to-face meeting with a client, then you slowly shifted it to a phone call meeting with your client, और उसके बाद सीधा email, जिसमें आपने convenience देखा, you could send a mail at night or schedule a mail at night to reach early morning. That convenience came in, and then with WhatsApp and lot of things तो अब हम WhatsApp पे कर रहे हैं. So now when I feel कि एक document has also moved, has evolved, and now we just send a link, that is technology. So when we are with we will just send one link and we are able to share anything and everything across. We don't have this your office, my office. We are sitting in a virtual space where we are sharing offices on the cloud. We are sharing too much of information, and a lot of healthy information, of course, included that.
So Lakshmi, when we talk about these tools, are
yes,
these tools free? I mean, like, do you get them for free? Like,
oh yes, it's a matter of just sitting and finding them on internet. These are completely free tools. You just need one thing, and that's a Google account. So you don't need more than that.
Okay, and the free, do you have any limited version? I mean, is there a limitation of these free available tools?
हर चीज जो फ्री आती है थोड़ा तो कैप होता ही है. So yes, there is a catch to it. कि वो free version पे you can only use it to a certain limit. But if you are using it, that limit also we play around that, और हम वो limit को वापस reuse कर सकते हैं. Recycle तो जैसे हम जुगाड़ू हैं Indians, हमने वो भी सीख लिया. So we do that also.
I'm really looking forward to it now.
Yes. So let's begin. The first one is a mind map. I'm sure we all have heard this word mind map. So if you can just show me a reaction button or put it in the chat whether you've ever heard of this word mind map, or looking at the picture if you can relate to it. So mind mapping is one of the major tools. And if you go back, there is a lot of scientific work done behind mind maps. जैसे हम लोग क्लास में बैठ के when teacher used to teach us और हम लोग scribbling करते थे. Actually, that scribbling was nothing but brain writing, because our brain writes like that. उसके बाद हमने extra पढ़ लिख के हमने brain को कुछ और बना दिया है. But if you go to the completely innocent and the naive brain, information is stored like this, like a brain map. So brain map has been studied by Buzon, and it has carried on, and brain map have come in. जिसमें clearly बताते हैं कि biggest and the most complex and the most abstract ideas can be put on paper in form of a brain map. And because the brain thinks like this, so associations, connections, all of it is very easy. So that's a visual display. We'll be doing mind maps now, and especially for this particular workshop, I always dreaded math. I always dreaded accounts. But मैंने इस workshop के लिए बहुत मेहनत करी है to get into the most difficult part of. I don't know whether you find it difficult. I do. That is GST. तो मुझे वो topic मिला और मुझे थोड़ा interesting लगा. So I thought, let me try to put GST in a mind map.
So are you going to do us a mind mapping with the GST topic?
Yes. So I prepared one. So I just wanted to save a little time. So I'll just show you what I prepared.
Amazing.
So this is a mind map of GST. And if I just take you through, this mind map has all that few and hundreds of pages of those GST documents had. And I don't know whether time permits me, Sonia, I could take them on a live tour of the...
I think you can take this one live, because we have time, and, I'm sure everybody would be pretty interested to know how this actually works. So how about from right beginning, like for all the people who haven't heard this before, I'm sure their curiosity lies, कि हम कहाँ से इसको शुरू करें? So let's make it in a more simplified manner. You consider me as a layman, and then you just put it across.
Okay, Sonia, I'll take it from there. So I just need a minute to stop my screen and open another tab.
Yeah.
Yes. So let's start right from the beginning. As said, कि कहाँ से शुरू करना है, I'll take you, I'll lead you through and where we begin. So
that
we
means,
begin with the
Lakshmi,
search engine. Yeah.
well, Lakshmi, so that means all the professional people here, you know, for their education of clients, or maybe if they are, you know, people who take classes on, say, accountancy, income tax, and all that. How do you relate mind mapping to their part of the profession?
I think this makes it so very simple for them, but even for their own collation of their own resources, because these mind map, as I take you through, you can actually link images, link documents, link YouTubes. You can add a link so that
Wow.
one mind map has everything contained, and a click of a button, you can reach those. I'll just show you how it works. And then I'll show you the, of course, people who are taking classes, especially because it's a professional field. I'm sure all of you are have interns and have you're imparting expertise outside. Also, you're sharing your expertise outside. So it's very simple. You go on any search engine and type Coggle.
Achha, okay, it's not Google anymore, it's Coggle.
No, it's Coggle, and Coggle also comes from as a part of Google here.
Wow.
So the first search engine will only take you to Coggle. And once you click on it, now since I've already signed in, otherwise you will see a window of sign up, and that is where you will use your one currency of Google account and just use that and sign up. So once you sign up, this is your first board, and because I've already signed up, you see it on the first board here. And limitation, जैसे आप मेरे से पूछ रहे थे सोनिया, yes, the limitation is कि मैं at a time सिर्फ 3 to 5 बना सकती हूँ on the free version, but then of course I can take a paid version if I want to. So
Wow.
I want to go back on the GST. Is my screen visible for the GST mind map?
Yes.
So this is the mind map that I had put up on my slide. And if I look at it, this is a huge canvas. And can you see, I can drag, click, all of that can be done. So it's a very, very fluid, it's a very versatile, flexible tool where I can be doing all of this.
This looks so amazing. So you can have as many branches, as many.
Okay. So my understanding of GST, I picked up the objectives and I felt, okay, abhi 10 objectives hai, maybe I want to add more. So I just go to the plus sign, I add more, and I can keep adding as many as I want.
Fantastic. And then the rest thing adjusts by itself?
Yes, it goes like, you can just keep, so it mostly it takes a default design, but if I don't like this design and I just want to drag it back into the whole thing or drag it again, I can do all of that.
It's like,
and if
it's like a flexible rubber band, you know,
oh, yes.
If you want to stretch it out, you can do that.
That's yes. And that's the elasticity of Coggle, if I have to call it. You see a few of these titles that I've put in blue. These are just hyperlinks. So if because I was coming to Jaipur, तो मैंने सोचा राजस्थान का GST का थोड़ा पता करके आते हैं. So I have added, so the minute you click on Rajasthan GST, it will take you to your own Government of Rajasthan ka website.
Wow,
so whatever.
Phenomenal.
So like that, I thought that these are the few hyperlinks that need to be in place. Like आपका जो e-Mitra app है, FAQs हैं, या आपको कुछ थोड़ा acts और notices के बारे में पता रखना है, या कुछ updates रखने हैं. All of this can be here. So as you asked me कि जो the professionals who are teaching or taking classes, I think this is a beautiful tool to collate all the data, and student doesn't get bogged down कि उसको इतनी बड़ी बुक पढ़नी है. मैंने CAs की बुक देखी और मैं बुक स्टोर से वापस भाग आई थी, because I can imagine the kind of studies they do. They have to be so updated.
No, I'm really wishing how if my school teacher would have taught me this, or you know, in this manner. I think it would have been so interesting to learn something like this.
Sonia, I second you on that. हमारी teachers ने सिखाया होता तो आज हम कुछ और भी कर रहे होते, and maybe I would have found some other profession also. But yes, so this is how the mind map that I sent you, as I showed you on a slide, actually is a very, very versatile thing. And so if you want, we can go back and tell you how it all starts. So I'll just take about 5 minutes.
Questions? All those who are listening to us, in case you have any questions relating to what Lakshmi is teaching us today as on mind mapping, I'm sure she's doing it so well. So, you know, I have a question from Deepmala. She says, how do I apply this at my work?
Oh, wonderful, wonderful question. Now, Ms. Deepala, I'm sure you might be into a consultancy service, or you would be providing some form of service, or you would be linked to an organization. So here, mind mapping is a live tool. So it's a real-time tool. So when you're sitting to collate data, you can have a company and put up all that data in form of a mind map with links to those documents. And while I am doing it, I can also call my colleague to add on in the same space at the same time. So it has a sharing option. I just share it with you. Even if I send you a link like right now, you will all be able to work on my mind map. So in my space. So in the virtual space, real time, you're able to have 5 to 6 people work together on the same document.
Fantastic. So it comes like a team effort also.
Oh, yes, yes. So I'm sure, Deepa, I hope I've answered your question there.
Yes. I'll just check if I have any more. If it's done, it's done. Let's move ahead.
Okay. So I will just give you a quick tip on how to start. I've chosen Coggle because it seems to be the simplest mind map. We have lots of more tools in my own toolkit. We have like concept boards and Miros and lots of them only for mind map. But this seemed to be a little simple, so I thought level 1 make thoda sa easy rakhti hu, so that you should all have a hands-on. So the minute I say start a new board, it gives me this blank space and with a center node point, and I just have to double click and I can write. Suppose I'm writing dummy for now.
So what the first thing which appears is called as a node, right?
Yes, and after that every junction is a node.
Okay.
So this is my dummy, and if I see there are 4 directions given to it. Normally mind mapping also has a very huge study behind it कि mind mapping जितना हमें ये confusing लगता है और जितना creative लगता है कई बारी और asymmetrical लगता है उतना ही scientific है. So mind maps have to follow a way of reading and making. So they have to go 12 o'clock onwards. So अगर आप 12 o'clock लें, so this is the first branch that comes out. And mind map को जब read भी करते हैं, so हम clockwise 12 o'clock onwards read करते हैं. So this is the one branch. Then I can keep adding branches. So for the paucity of time, I will not be adding too many titles here, but I'll show you how, these branches can be added here.
Wow.
And then just
so
drag.
So interesting.
Yes. And you just click and drag and you can take them. You want to extend them or you want to, take them somewhere else. So it just goes like this. I can keep adding as many branches as I want. I can keep adding as many sub branches and beyond that. So in a mind map, normally what happens, the most important aspects go in the first peripheral circle, and then it keeps splitting.
Wow, this is phenomenal.
If you look at these 3-4 icons right at the top,
yes.
One is showing you the font. So there are just 1 or 2 varieties of font that you can put in there. The second is a link. So if I want to link a website, I just have to click and paste the link here. So the link to Rajasthan GST or to the eMitra app and all that was done like this. It was a hyperlink. I can also upload an image here. Suppose मुझे एक कोई text book अपने students को दिखानी है कि this is the book that you want to buy or this is what you want to refer to. So you can of course put up an image or even documents के images लेके आप अपने system पे रख के you can easily put that up.
So
and if you want, yes.
Lakshmi, on that note, supposing sometimes you need videos also. Would that be comfortable here?
So you will have to add video as a link. So YouTube link लेके you can add a video here.
So anything you think of and that can be done on this mind mapping. Wow.
Yes, yes. And once it is done, on the right hand side, you will see there are 3-4 small icons there. L is representing that I'm working here, right? I'm the one who's there. Had I shared this with somebody else, another icon would appear with the person's name. So आपको पता चल जाता है कितने लोग एक साथ काम कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
I can share this. Now, while sharing options, अगर आप देखेंगे, so that is one thing which I think थोड़ा सा एक virtual space में security is also of lot of importance. So just make sure that this diagram, whatever you're making, is not for a public domain. Public means anybody and everybody will be able to use it, access it, or see it. You keep it as no, so that it's a private mind map that you've made. And then you can just generate a new link. So the minute you get a link, it says new link, click on that and you can copy paste and send it to whoever you want. The other way of sharing is this plus sign. And this plus sign shares it via your email. Now, personally, I prefer sharing such virtual spaces via email because it's very safe. Only the person with that email ID is accessing. And but for link sharing, you are not able to track a revision history for them. कि किसने आके क्या changes करे, वो सब मुश्किल हो जाता है if you have just shared a link. But अगर email से करोगे, you're very sure who's going to be here.
Lakshmi,
Yes. Okay, so the last thing that I want to tell you about Coggle is how to download this. And that's the best part. आपने पूरा mind map बना लिया, you can completely take it down as a PDF. You can save it as an image. If you have a Visio flowchart, or you have a software there, you can take it out there, or you can just make it into a plain text outline. It's a direct download. The only thing that happens is you get a small Coggle ka watermark, which I think free के अंदर कुछ तो compromise करना ही पड़ता है हमको.
I'm sure. I think it's so crystal clear, and I'm sure everybody who's looking at this is going to, try and make as good use of this now. So I think this is commendable, Lakshmi. Life has become so easy with this mind mapping. So now what next is there in store for us, Lakshmi? What new?
Okay, great. So I had curated these two of these, and I thought कि एक Coggle आपको simple and easy to use होगा. So there are only 3 steps that I'll just take a recap on this. Just 3 steps for Coggle. You have to type Coggle on Google, go and open up an account, and then you can straight away start making your own board.
Wow.
The next tool that I have is called a Padlet. And Padlet is again a very interesting tool. It is somewhere between a document and a website. अब document की अपनी limitations होती हैं and website की अपनी limitations होती हैं. But I think somewhere ये दोनों merge हो गए and Padlet has come out beautifully here as a. So I would want to take you directly on a Padlet, which again मैंने बहुत मेहनत करी to get my audience focus में लाने के लिए कि maybe that is what I should be connected to. So I have done a little R&D और मैंने अपने दिमाग से सोचा और अपने मितेश भाई को बोला कि प्लीज मुझे थोड़ा information दो जो मैं portray कर सकूं. So thank you Mitesh bhai, if you are listening. Yes, thank you. Okay, so I will just take it on directly on the live demo. That will be a better way of doing it.
Yes. So is it something more powerful than mind mapping?
Definitely. Wow. It is very versatile and very powerful, much more than what you can do with a mind map. And
name too, Padlet, iPads, and after so much of other things, Padlet now. Wow.
Yes. So again, the easy thing is it's a free software. You will just pick it up from typing padlet.com. If you can relate to that icon, you will see that this is the icon that they talk about. That's how your Padlet looks. So
that's the same if we apply here also कि इतना ही free मिलेगा.
Yes, you're right, Sonia. इसमें भी थोड़ा सा तो खींचातानी करनी पड़ती है. इसमें भी सिर्फ हमें 2-3 Padlets free मिलते हैं. But the best part is कि इसकी subscription is not that expensive. So it's just about 100 rupees or 100 rupees a month or something. So when you realize कि कितना useful है, I'm sure all of you will sit down to subscribe.
There's been a Netflix subscription, I'm sure.
So when you log on to Padlet, again मेरा logged in account है, so मेरा directly dashboard खुलता है. आप लोग sign up करोगे तो वो आपसे थोड़ा सा details पूछेंगे, purpose पूछेंगे, and then you can. It's a very quick sign up. So this is how जो मैंने आपके लिए बनाया था was this one.
Wow.
Now it's a virtual wall, and this wall is so beautiful कि सबसे पहले तो मैं wall का background भी change कर सकती हूँ, just looking at the aesthetics. मैंने अपने मितेश भाई से बहुत इंस्ट्रक्शंस ली कि ये कैसे मैनेज करूं, क्या होता है. सो इफ आई एम गोइंग रॉन्ग, पार्डन मी, मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग में गलती हो सकती है, उनकी इंफॉर्मेशन में गलती नहीं होगी. सो आई हैव सीन दिस इज लाइक अ कंप्लीट डैशबोर्ड दैट आई कैन सी. इफ यू सी देयर आर 4-5 columns are here, and these headings are different companies. So it's an ABC company, WVR, or a Polyp company, and these LLPs are put up here. और जो भी उनका compliance year था, उसकी जो भी requirements थी, वो मैं एक के नीचे एक I can keep posting it. Wow. And if you see, there is form 11, and this form 11 I have uploaded. So it's a zip form. The minute I click on it, I can actually unzip it and download it on my system.
So as in like आपकी एक wall पे 5-6 companies का data एक बार में आ जाएगा?
Sonia, you'll be surprised. Infinite data. There is no limit to number of columns.
Super. And जो version आपने मुझे दिखाया है, can this be altered or this remains the same? There can be a different format?
Yes, there are lots of formats. I'll just take you there on different types of formats. So do you want me to take that up first? I'll just show you the kind of formats. So if I say make a Padlet, these are the formats that come.
Wow.
So this is the first screen. You have something which has a wall. Wall is nothing but वो थोड़ा सा एक brick layout kind of होगा. So आपके सारे post is in a layout. Stream is ongoing. So resource track करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है streaming के अंदर. Then you have something which is a grid, which is again very structured. You have certain specific areas to work on. जो अभी मैं format use कर रही हूँ, that is a shelf जिसमें different columns आ गए हैं.
Amazing.
Then you also have world maps. You also have a timeline. So I'm
Actually,
just there to explore, for all of you to explore.
So many choices. I think it's the world is so extravagant here.
Yes. So I'll just show you. So what I've done is unka information low, you can have a post where you can highlight. If you see, you can have a voting. So you can have your friends and everybody. This is also real. This is also live. You can have all people working on this together. So as a team, you can have your own team working on it, or you can collaborate with different consultancies and different firms working on it on the same thing. You can even have your client come and check out his own details and what is left, what are the updates. So these are few zips that I've put. So
I think like anybody can have a daily update on this. So for example, if there's a change in a particular amendment or a section or like whatever a guideline has come up, so all those can be pasted here directly?
Yes, so you can just add a column and call it the latest news or the updates or whatever, and then you can just keep posting on that, so that when I join this, I know I have to look at for latest updates. So the things that you can do with this, I have picked up. If you look at this one, the right here, this is a clear website that I've picked up. It was nothing on just on a click. When I said clear tags, I just clicked it and I reached that website. The same way, if I want to add an image, I have an image right here. Now, images, jo mujhe samajh mein aayi maine dali, but of course that's left for you. How would you want to use it? I can also link podcasts here. I can link videos here, audios here. I can do a live screen recording and put it up here. So this is one of the podcasts. Yes.
Lakshmi, one thing which comes to my mind is all of my private information is getting stored here. So how about the security of this?
So again, I've said when you're sharing this, the share option that is right at the top, make sure you're sharing it through your email IDs. And you're giving it only, now your share options can give it like a QR code, can give it like a link, or can embed in your website. But ideal would be the email sharing, because that's personalized and that just reaches where you want it to reach. And apart from that, there is another setting which makes sure that the people who have your share link will be restricted. So either you can have full on, they can have them work like editors, or you can have them work like just viewers and have a come and look, or you can restrict them to only using this column or that particular post. So those are the restrictions that you can have, and that's how privacy is maintained. So there'll be no issues there. I can also have
who's using it and who's allowed to use.
Yes. Like every time you see Lakshmi, that means I have used it through my email ID.
Okay. So anybody who has put an input, his or her comment can be also seen. Who has entered it and who has posted? Everything is visible. Who used when?
Everything is visible. Timeline is not visible. Revision history is not. As in time based, nahi aapko pata chalega. But the minute they pick up a post, you will come to know ki kiska naam se aaya hai, because emails are logged down. Okay. So here I've attached,
download this or print this out, because there's so much of data, and maybe someday I need to take a printout of everything, since I'm using it so extensively. Maybe someday किसी company का मुझे data निकाल कर किसी को देना है. How do I do that then?
So ये पूरा का पूरा one Padlet, the whole thing can get exported out. So if you just look down, I have clicked on these 3 dots there, and it says I can share this whole Padlet or I can export it. So when you look at the export options, it gives you, I can save the whole thing as an image. So I'll just show you how the whole thing comes down as an image. While it is loading, I can save the whole thing as a PDF also. It will ask you what size of the PDF you want, and I say just publish PDF. or I can take it down as a, now this is interesting, especially for the CA fraternity, because CSVs and Excel worksheets and all of that, I think that is where they need their data. So जहाँ पे जो कुछ भी है आप सीधा उसको Excel sheet और CSV format में ले सकते हैं, or you can directly print it out. So if I show you, this is the PDF that has come up. So you have the companies there, whatever was highlighted, whatever was put, if there were videos to be given, if there was a location that was given, if there was any other audios added, video, screen recording, all of that comes down. The same thing comes down as an image, but the image will, this is the image format of downloading it. And this was the PDF format of downloading it. PDF will give you the date and time of who's put the post when. So the way you wanted to know कि किसने कब किया है, तो वो आपको timing यहाँ से मिलेंगे.
So Lakshmi, I have a question in the chat box. It says how to create different rows for one topic.
How to create different
rows for one topic?
Okay, so there are certain of these, like if you want, most of this goes in a column wise. इसमें column based होता है, row based नहीं है. So you will have to pick up columns. So आप अपने data को column wise arrange करें, तो it will be, I mean, थोड़ा सा हमें flexible होना पड़ता है with that.
Okay.
Yes.
On that note, how about, because we are Indians and you know sometimes Hindi की भी जरूरत पड़ सकती है, तो can we use different languages in this Padlet?
Oh yes, you'll be amazed. It has more than 15 to 20 languages that can be used.
Wow.
But thoda sa catch hai कि somewhere you will have to subscribe and pick the language options out. Yes, but a lot of Indian languages are used. Yes.
Okay. Then getting a little more greedy, because you know WhatsApp में सारे options मिलते हैं, and then you put your languages, you can change your languages.
Yes.
So one thing
Yes.
I want to know personally, Lakshmi, can I use it on my mobile phone as well?
Yes, all that I've shown you, right from Coggle to Padlet to all the other tools that I work on, all of them have their versions on Androids and Apple in all formats and all phones, all devices, you can use it.
Wow. So is there a limitation of any size or something like कि इतना बड़ा ही होगा, या this is the maximum size?
The maximum that I have worked is with 100 people on one Padlet, and all of them uploading up to 10 KB of data, and I didn't see any limitation. तो अब उससे ज़्यादा मेरे को realize नहीं हो रहा कि कितना और डल सकता है. But till now, it's never been an obstacle.
That's amazing. Very, very nice. Very interesting. It looks so good. So can you just quickly take us through a small Padlet once again, like right from the beginning, like you showed us a mind mapping demo. Can we do that here?
Oh yes, we can. We can.
But of course, I'm sure everybody's interested to see right from the beginning how it works.
Sure. I'll just pick up a quick one. So let me make something which goes like a grid.
Okay.
So I've selected the format. That's a grid. The best part is it gives you this beautiful punch line, which I love. Every time you start a Padlet, it will give you a nice punch line there. This says made with a lot of charisma. That's fine. So I'm happy about it. I can change the title here. I'm putting it as feedback for the session. Since you've all wanted it, then I will also take a feedback here.
Wow, wow. Smart way of using tools as well.
Yes, totally. And feedback is... So you can also assign one Padlet per organization. You know, one client has one Padlet and all their information and whatever you want to communicate with them is there on that one particular Padlet. So I can, of course, change the appearance into whatever I want. So I can have any of these, you know, those are the aesthetics that we look at. The things that I need to be careful about, attribution is, yes, I would want to know who's written, but this will not come in case I'm sharing a link. This will only come if it's through an email. Okay. And I would want to open my feedback to comments. So if I see somebody's post, I should be able to comment.
Right.
So those are the settings, and a few reaction buttons. So you can put up a voting there. Voting is a very practical way of looking at it. Sometimes you do need approval if you're opening it to a very large public space. You probably want to read all the posts before they go live. Then you can, of course, require approval. That means you will be giving approvals. But that's quite a task, sitting through all of them and waiting for approvals and, you know, going through all of them. But that option is there.
Yes.
And any unparliamentary language or not a very civilized language also gets filtered here. So that's something really nice. So this is a feedback. And here I will start with something and I say, leave your feedback for the session. And just to give you a quick live one here, I can, since I'm using Zoom here, I will not be able to use my mic or my camera here, but otherwise I had the option. I
Wow.
could have added a voice message here. I could have done a screen recording, a video recording, but since I'm using a camera, I will not be able to do it. I could have clicked my own photograph and said, give me feedback. So that could be done. And I'm sharing this link in the chat box. So let's see, when you get on the Padlet, what do you see here?
I'm also excited to use it now.
Great. So I'll just put it. Yeah.
So all the professional audience here looking out of this wonderful tool, let's put in our feedbacks, what Lakshmi has taught us.
I can change the color so that my post stands out and you can also choose that.
Okay.
So what you have to do once you get on the link, it has a small plus sign at the right hand side bottom corner. You just have to click and you'll get a post.
Wow. I just did it and I could see it. I think so.
So
Okay.
here everybody's commenting on my feedback. You can also pick up an individual separate post and leave some, what are you looking forward to? So maybe if I can just ask you, what are you looking forward for the next sessions? You can leave them there. And did you find this session hands-on? Did you find them different, new, something different that you've explored? Sonia, I think I missed your part of the appreciation because you were on mute.
So I had a very wonderful thing. Super se upar was from my side.
Thank you. Thank you. So, and this, as long as you want, this Padlet can be alive and then you can put it in the archives.
Wow.
Because you need to keep your space. If you haven't subscribed to आपको Padlet में 3 Padlet की जगह रखनी है. So you will have to see how you export it out.
Of those times when people used to, share screenshots and assemble them and put their feedbacks there, जोड़ के, हम लोग अपना एक बड़ा collage type बनाते थे. But now having this beautiful format in the background and these amazing walls, they make you feel so good, and it's amazing. Like technology can do anything. It looks like,
Yes, thank you.
Thoroughly enjoyed listening to and learning how to make it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So that brings me to the last part of today's. Yes.
Any other tip we have missed out on Padlet? Because this whole sounds so interesting.
No, it's very easy. It's just that I can do a quick recap in terms of how we reached Padlet so that, it's there in front of us when we have to do it on our own. It was very simple. It's a first step to Padlet. Just search Google, log on to the link account, sign up, and then straight away you reach the first dashboard and you can start picking. You have a lot of designs here, and Padlet is a very, very progressive tool. So they keep changing, adding and making newer versions coming out, but it's amazing to work with and one of the most versatile tools that you can think of.
Okay. So Lakshmi, getting a little greedy on this part, can you share a few more? Can you let us know about other more tools on similar lines wherein we can go and explore? Because now you've made everybody's mind get into these tools, and this is the future. I'm sure. अगर हम इसमें नहीं आए तो I'm sure, as Pooja said, कि भाई अगर नहीं मानोगे तो जबरदस्ती सर पे पड़ जाएगा, तब करना ही पड़ेगा. So can you talk about the new tools? Any more tools if you?
Yes, so Coggle being the first one in mind mapping. Beyond that, we have a lot of other tools like Miro, MindMaster, Lucidcharts. Then I have Concept Board, and we do workshops with all of these in all the organizations, because I think organizations have started to realize it's very easy done visually rather than going paper इकट्ठा कर करके. एंड आई थिंक Zoom के अंदर क्या हुआ है, इन दिस कोविड के अंदर पेपरलेस तो हो ही गए हैं हम लोग, सब वर्चुअल गए. आई डोंट नो हाउ मच ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट वी हैव, हाउ मेनी ट्रीज वी हैव सेव्ड. Concept board is something which is very interesting. It has a lot of flow charts, mind maps, a lot of project management, resource management tools, and then we have Miro, then we have MindMaster, Lucid. I have kind of screen recorders, how to make your own videos, and a lot of other technology-based tools that we can be looking at.
I think the benefits are far beyond, you know, what can be seen is like. So for
Yes, so
women out
I
there,
did list a few because while I was doing it, it also brought back it. ये बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So I felt again it is anytime, anywhere readiness. And the best part is the real time information that you have. आपने जो डाला immediately वहां पहुंचा and it is there in the space. There is no time lapse. It is time saving. I can do it middle of the night. I can do it early morning. मुझे उसी office time में बैठ के वो सब नहीं करना है. It's a visual communication.
So we
And
have a
again,
question from Pooja also, Lakshmi. Can we do risk analysis on these tools?
oh yes, we can. Concept Board has a beautiful board where you can do risk analysis, we can do SWOTs, we can do pestles, a lot of analysis for organization and your clients. I'm sure you must be doing it. Yes, Concept Board does all of that.
So I'm getting hungry more and more, like more. Yeah, but time is a constraint for us today.
So I think somewhere even what your clients will feel, जैसे मैं, I was impressed when Mahesh bhai came back and said कि मेरे को उन्होंने कुछ भेजा which was so colorful and nice, and I called him back. मैंने कहा आप तो हमेशा मुझे बड़े बड़े numbers भेजते हो, ये क्या भेज दिया इस बारी? So that's when he told me कि मैं कुछ नया try कर रहा हूँ, and it was a beautiful visual display of how I should invest and where all and how all should I be looking into my finances. But the display was so beautiful कि actually मैंने पढ़ा. उससे पहले मैं इतना जब आते हैं ना Word documents तो park कर देती हूँ that I will take them up sometime in my life, but immediate response नहीं होता है. So I think this is a quick response, and it's something that we should all be looking at, because now it's going to be cloud-based consultancies. Your physical offices will vanish. So this is something which is new and is coming up. So I feel as the role changes in everything, I just have these two things to let us know that digital communication is going to make the virtual spaces stay. And the labor force is internet dwellers. So you can't have, the constrict and the restraint of staying in geographical boundaries. क्योंकि वो तो internet पे रहते हैं. And work remotely, demand availability. So I think that's why virtual spaces will stay. Thank you, Sonia, for giving me this opportunity. I could come and share my expertise here.
I think you created more hunger and greed to learn more and explore more now. So I'm sure everybody who's participated in this workshop had amazing insights of the new strategic tools. Pooja, although we lost you on the net, so again, this is a part of the strategy. You're back again still. So happy to have you back again.
Yes, Sonia. And I was so amazed by the, what all tools can do. We're talking about technology and here we see it.
Right. So everybody, I hope everybody liked the workshop, and as Pooja said, let's all make our strategies and let's prioritize on them and communicate our people that this is the strategy. And believe me, once you communicate, you come under your own pressure and you're bound to get those done.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely.
So to do the formal closing, I now invite Anushri Gupta, and thank you all the viewers for participating and being a wonderful audience from my end. Over to you, Anushri. Anushri, can you hear me? So I think Anushri. Right. So you can unmute yourself now, Anushri.
So, as Albert Einstein has said, that in the middle of difficulties lies opportunity. So with all these technological tools that you've shared right now, I'm sure it is for us professionals to convert these challenges into opportunities. So with this, I would like to thank our prolific speakers, proficient speakers, Lakshmi ma'am and Pooja ma'am, for this wonderful session, making us well versed with tools like Coggle, MindMap, and Padlet that help us in our professional endeavors. I would also like to thank our moderator, Ms. Sonia Maheshwari, for moderating this session. And I would also like to thank our conveners, CA Mudrika Dangayach, CA Sugandha Jain, and CA Gunjan Agarwal for their sincere efforts. Lastly, Jaipur branch of CIRCF ICR and our Jaipur branch chairman, CA Ankit, CA Akash Bargoti, and Secretary Jaipur Branch, CA Ankit Maheshwari ji, for organizing this remarkable session. So thanks a lot to all of you for staying here, to the audience for participating so well, and for such a great learning. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you,
Thank you
Sonia,
so
ma'am.
much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sonia Bhabhi, and thank you to both the speakers also for
Thank
their
you.
wonderful learning embarked in to the Jaipur branch, and definitely we'll be looking forward to you on the same platform in the near future also.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you so much, and I hope everybody liked it. Thank you, Pooja and Lakshmi, once again, taking your leave. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Look forward. Thank you.
Thank you.